Cleaner air, smarter comfort, smarter savings. Panasonic introduces a new Etherea model that offers cleaner indoor air and saves more energy without compromising comfort. Etherea features the latest nanoe X generator Mark III, delivering 100 times higher concentration to inhibit certain viruses, bacteria, and odours, all in a filter-free design that requires no maintenance. nanoe X inhibit both airborne and adhered pollutants. It also helps keep the inside of the unit clean by inhibiting certain bacteria, viruses and mold. Advanced airflow control technology Aerowings 2 delivers comfort through optimal airflow control for both heating and cooling. The Etherea has top-class energy efficiency up to a triple plus in heating and cooling. For more saving and comfort, it is equipped with new AI Eco mode. The indoor unit identifies the heating and cooling load in your room and provides optimal operation automatically for your environment. The new AI Eco function achieves more saving without any compromise on comfort. The Panasonic Comfort Cloud App puts total control of your indoor air quality at your fingertips. Enjoy effortless comfort with voice control via your smart assistant. Cleaner air, smarter comfort, smarter savings. Panasonic's new Etherea.